Hey guys, so welcome to my channel, and guess who my special guest is? Maniya. So we are cooking today, and I have Maniya here. Maniya's gonna help me. She's not really a seafood eater. Are you really a seafood eater?
So I went vegan, but I guess a little dip and dab won't hurt nobody. So technically I'm on a plant-based diet. For the vegans out there, don't be mad at me. I'm on a plant-based diet.
So we're gonna cook a little fish, a little corn, a little rice, and I also had seasoned up last night some salmon. Some people say salmon. How do you say it? Salmon. So we're gonna grill some salmon and fry some country fried.
Catfish.
Exactly. Let's go.
Alright, well first, we should do the rice first so that it can do what it does.
No, that's definitely true. Okay,
is this it?
You do the rice. Yeah, you can use that one. You do the rice, I'm gonna do the corn. And if y'all ever wanted to know what was like one of my favorite things to eat, I wouldn't say vegetable because corn's not a vegetable, corn's a starch. So yeah, I love corn.
Oh, and another thing?
Corn is one of my favorite things. Yes, I'm gonna wash the corn off. You know, rice cooks a lot, even when it's little.
Like, can we do that when we do it?
If the rice comes out too hard or too soft, y'all know who cooked it. Maniya.
Maniya cooks the regular white rice, okay? I never cooked this Spanish rice, so we're just gonna apply the same formula and see what happens. What I do when I make rice, I'm just gonna talk about this rice specifically. I put the water, you wanna make sure that the water covers the rice. Like if you bend the pot, you should still like be able to, never mind, that doesn't make sense. But what you're gonna do, you're gonna let it boil on like high until you start seeing holes in the rice. And then once you start seeing like holes in the rice, kind of like when it's time to flip a pancake, you're gonna put aluminum foil on the top of it. And then you put the cover and then you turn the rice down like low, like to where it's barely on, and you just let it steam. So, yeah, I see your face, you look confused.
I know. I don't think everybody cleaning up as they go.
Yes, you're supposed to clean up as you go.
Why?
Because nobody wants the kitchen to be dirty when you're cooking. Imagine you at somebody's house and they're cooking and you see their kitchen, you be like, oh, I don't think I need
as long as the
food
food that I say, that's why.
Shaq, please, as bougie as you are, you is not gonna eat nobody's food if their kitchen don't look clean as they're cooking your food. You know.
So what are we doing? How are we starting this off?
I mean, I see he didn't see, but I think you should season the fish and then maybe dip it. But then no, because it's gonna wash off in the milk maybe.
No, so let's just drop it in here with the sauces.
Okay, yeah, go ahead, let's do it. So we're gonna do it like the, so what are you doing? You gotta tell them.
We're dropping our fish in the bowl. No, okay, no,
okay.
seriously.
No, seriously, we're putting the fish in the bowl. And then we're gonna add the milk, right?
How much milk are we using?
We're gonna use 2 tablespoons, half a cup of, it doesn't matter.
Not everybody really uses exact measurements of seasonings and liquids. So we're just gonna go ahead and pour half of that in. What do you think?
Because we're trying to do it like the video, that's why.
You didn't tell the people that we're trying to do like the video.
Just cut that part out.
Go ahead and milk that down. We're gonna go ahead and use some onion powder.
Okay, I'm just gonna.
We got a little garlic powder. We got a little cayenne pepper. We got some eggs. We got white pepper. And some Italian seasoning.
I've never heard of milk and fish.
Oh wait, you gotta use the hot sauce.
Oh, this makes me look like I don't know how to cook.
Come on, drop it in, drop it in. And if you don't use this in your house,
I don't use that in my house.
you don't?
My food still is good. What is this called? Sazon?
Sazoops.
What's that?
The dogs.
How many dogs you got?
3. Have you ever seen them?
Just a little.
This might be so good.
Sometimes though, when you're cooking food,
extra seconds.
you just gotta wing it though. Like sometimes, like I feel like cooking is like art. Like you know when you ever been in an art class and you mess up and your art teacher's like it's fine. Like
it really don't be fun.
it really do be fun. Come on, you're supposed to prove my point.
As long as you still watching
Oh my gosh, I forgot to do what I do. You see
The
what I'm
butter?
saying? The butter, the oil, so it don't stick.
If you butter, you don't need it.
I told y'all that
Yes, you
rice
do.
wasn't
You
gonna be
use
right.
both. I do. Listen.
That's why you can't ask for people's opinions who's sitting being Molly comfy
Shut
couch.
up. Put your stuff on.
Dang.
Bitch Molly the comfy couch.
No, actually, you want me to mess up my rice so you can prove your point. I should have never asked you. You want my rice to be messed up.
Me?
Yeah.
No, I don't want
Yes,
that.
you do.
They want your rice to be messed up.
Bitch.
All I talked about was the water. You forgot your butter, lady.
Oh, what is this? This is not even. This is not bougie. You don't have regular butter?
You know this is
Y'all a chaotic mess.
that's for my corn.
Okay, where's the butter for the rice?
I don't have.
Oh my.
Use this oil.
You're tired. You're tired.
Season my corn. I love corn. I mean, you really want y'all to see.
I can smell it. I can smell it.
I'm gonna add a little garlic, a little seasoning, and I'm gonna close it up before I can put it in the grill.
Good.
So what do you guys think overall?
7 out of 10.
Not on 10 on 10.
It's cold.
Outside of being cold.
Outside of being cold, the rice with a little bit more water. 10 out of 10.
The
Okay.
corn is one point.
Corn good.
So you have to definitely subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna keep y'all posted when Maniya makes her channel, so y'all can go over and subscribe to her. But since she doesn't have YouTube right now, follow her on Instagram below. You know? And stay tuned to part 2 of Shaq's World. What do you think?
Because we're trying to do it like the video. That's why.
You didn't tell the people that we trying to do like the video.
Just cut that right out.
Let's make something out of nothing.
You're making me complicated. I know how to cook. You making me nervous about cooking this food.
While
Yeah.
Maniya go ahead and milk that down.